Be joined by a very eminent panel of guests, and we'll be discussing exactly what Delhi can do to control the outbreak of rape. I'd like to ask Major General K.R. Prasad to tell us how he has been working with the communities in Bangalore to get them to start protecting themselves and to start taking care of the people who live around each other. Sir, if you can explain to us what community policing is, which is an initiative that you started in Bangalore, it would really help viewers understand perhaps how they could duplicate in their own cities and towns what you are doing.
Yeah, thank you very much. Before I come to that, I agree with all your panelists that this has to be addressed multi-pronged, and then all politicians should come together, because we found that when the rape laws were passed in the parliament, the attendance in the parliament was hardly about 80 or 90. That's a very sad state. Having said this, the community erupts when such a thing happens, whereas the community also has to take responsibility for the safety and security of the neighborhood and their own safety and security. Because in fact, if you ask me, the talk of safety and security must start from the dining table. The perception is the safety and security is the responsibility of the police themselves. You see, if you see a global average, you find that there is one policeman for about 300 citizens. Whereas in Indian average is very miserable. You have got 1 per 1,000, and in Karnataka we have for about one policeman for about 880 or 900 citizens. So what is the solution for this? How can the citizens be a part of the neighborhood watch, safety and security of their surroundings, and how they can augment the police force? That is what we had in mind as Janagraha, and we have partnered with Bangalore City Police to put this in place. Initially, we have selected 7 police stations as pilot in entire Bangalore city, and we have studied the patterns, we have studied the police station areas, and we took we made a survey there in that all the 7 police station areas. We call this as Security Perception Index Survey. We not only surveyed the citizens, we also surveyed the police as to what is their perception of the security and safety in the city. And amazingly, when we talked about this community policing, 68 to 70% of police personnel as well as about 70% of citizens both believe that community policing is an excellent way wherein safety and security of the neighborhood.
A very special thank you from me to you, General. You have served the nation in uniform, you are serving it as a civilian, so I salute you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for much more on this and more news coming up on the other side in just 2 minutes. Thanks for watching.